Welcome to Module 1, Where to Find Your Lead Magnet. This is our second video in our lead magnet training series. The goal with these videos is to help you create a lead magnet fairly quickly and with confidence so that you can attract your potential ideal customer and start making that sale. To obtain this goal, it is important that you follow along and that you implement the steps. In our last video, we went through the process of setting up your free all-in-one marketing and sales software account, namely Groove. If you haven't yet, you can sign up by going to groove.onlinelaunchhub.com. This is my referral link. And when you sign up with my referral link, you will also receive some cool gifts, which you can also learn more about in the description of this video. If your business is a sideline hustle and you don't have a lot of time to spare, or if you have just started out and you don't have a big budget, you don't have a lot of money to spend on hiring a freelancer to create a lead magnet for you, don't despair, there is a solution. So I've discovered PLR products, and just take note, it is important to use quality PLR products and to preferably not use it as is, but to edit and to just amend it so that it will suit your products and be in line with your branding. So what exactly is a lead magnet? It is basically a free item of value that you offer your audience in exchange for their contact details. This will then be used to build your email list with. So let's dive in and look at our first PLR site. Alright, so I've shared my screen with you. We can go to onlinelaunchhub.com/PLR-me. This will bring us to plr.me's website. This is my referral link, so you will see a little pop-up coming up here, which says you can have 10 free credits, activate this offer. This will also give me 10 free credits. So let's have a look at some of the products they have. You can take a look at the new PLR products or the popular PLR products. So let's take a look. On the left-hand side, it's nicely organized into categories. If you're, for instance, a life coach or career coach, you can go to career and job. You can also take a look at the types of content or items that's available. You can look here and you can find action guides, worksheets, reports and ebooks. We will take a look at those, as for this training series we're going to use the format of ebook. There are different formats available that you can use for your lead magnet, and we will cover that in upcoming trainings. But for this specific training series, we're just going to keep it simple and use ebook format. So for example, if you choose a book like, say for instance, your life coach, and you choose this ebook, Give Yourself a Self-Concept Makeover, then you can go and take a look at this item and you can see what it is all about. And this section over here also describes the terms of your license. You can brand it as your own, give it away. So this is really nice to use as a lead magnet. Here's what you will get. You can see how it will look like, and you can use this for your lead magnet. You can go and have a look on this site. You can create an account and just see what PLR products they have to offer. Next, we're going to take a look at another site that we will actually use for the duration of this training series. You can go to online launch hub again /IDPLR. This will bring you to IDPLR's website. If you haven't used this site before, they will actually give you 2 golden downloads. So this will help with playing around and testing out this site and just get a feel of the products. I'm just going to log in here. Right, so we logged in. For you, a pop-up message will, if you've created your account, a message will pop up which says you have 2 golden products to download, which is very nice, because then you can choose 2 good quality products and not use the free products, because those are not always quality products. The paid ones are. We can go to the top here, products, and then go to ebooks. You will see here different licenses, resale rights, master resale rights, private label rights, and all of these. We will choose the private label rights, PLR, because this is the one that will give you the most leniency to actually change the graphics, the content, and so forth. So let's go here. So you will see a lot of products coming up here. Yes, a book, YouTube Studio, if you're a YouTuber with, for instance, a YouTube program. Right, so all these different ones. I've chosen one for this series. Just trying to find it. This one, Ultimate USP. USP stands for unique selling proposition or point, and every business needs one to stand out. Right, so I have chosen this one. You can just take a look what this product offers. So you can see I've already used my credit. I've got no gold downloads left, but if you've signed up, you will have 2. You will actually have 2 left. Okay, so you can download your product here, but you can also take a look what you will get. All right, so if you've got a Mac or if you've got Windows, so you can see here they've got the squeeze page. That is your opt-in or landing page where your lead magnet will be hosted. We will do that on Groove, but we can use the squeeze page to give us an idea, you know, what to use for the content and how to write our copy. You can take a look here. I've got images. Then I also got emails, which is really nice when you come to the stage where you send out your emails, you know, as part of your email marketing, and it will give you an idea what to write and how to write your emails. And here you'll find your actual report. It's in Word, which means you can actually edit it, and you've got also a PDF version. So what we will do is we will download this and you will save it to your device. I've already done that so that it is available for our next video, where we're actually going to go and create, you know, our content for our landing page. We're going to start creating our landing page on Groove. So if you haven't yet, sign up for your free Groove account by going to groove.onlinelaunchhub.com. My referral link will be in the description of this video. You can also learn more about some cool gifts you will receive when you sign up with my referral links in the description of this video. So when you've done that, you are ready to start building your landing page on Groove. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video where we will start building out our landing page. Bye.